In this video, you'll learn how to build a website with the Google Workspace website builder, also known as Google Sites. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of how to get started, how to pick a layout that fits your needs, and how to customize it so it actually looks and feels like your own site. To begin, open your web browser and go to sitesgoogle.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account you want to use for your website. This is important because the site you create will be saved and managed inside that account, just like a Google Doc or a Google slide presentation. Once the page loads, you'll arrive at the Google Sites dashboard. This is the main hub where all of your existing sites will appear and where you can create new ones. If this is your first time here, the dashboard might look a bit empty, and that's totally fine. To create a new site, look for the option to start a new site. Usually you'll see a blank site option along with several templates beneath it. Go ahead and choose how you want to start. If you'd like complete control over every detail, you can select the blank template. If you prefer a faster start, pick one of the ready-made templates that matches the type of website you're building, such as a portfolio, team site, or project page. When you click on a template, Google Sites will open a new editing window. At the top, you'll see a place to give your site a name and a page title. Type in something meaningful like the name of your business, project, or group. Remember that the site name often appears in navigation and can help visitors quickly understand where they are. Now you can start editing the site to match your needs. On the right-hand side, you'll see options to insert content, choose layouts, and manage pages. You can click directly on any text on the page to change it. Simply select a text area, delete the placeholder content, and type in your own headline, description, or information. To add images, look for the image option in the Insert panel. You can upload images from your computer or choose from your Google Drive. Pick visuals that support your content like logos, product photos, or team pictures. Once an image is inserted, you can resize it and drag it into position so it fits nicely within your layout. You can also adjust the overall look of your site by exploring the Themes section. Here you can switch between different design styles and color schemes. Choose a theme that matches your brand or the tone of your project, and then fine-tune the colors and fonts to get a consistent, professional appearance across all your pages. If you need more sections, use the layout options to add new content blocks. These layouts make it easy to organize text and images in a clean, structured way without needing any coding knowledge. As you make changes, use the preview feature to see how your site will look on desktops, tablets, and phones. When you're happy with everything, you can publish the site by clicking the Publish button, choosing a web address, and confirming your settings. That's all it takes to create and edit a website with the Google Workspace website builder.